This is with the old mount, and it's a double clamp mount. I like it. It holds the camera nicely, but it vibrates. I'm on rock steady, so I made an improvement mount. We're shooting with it now, and it goes on nice. Turns with the handlebar, and it fits beautifully right in the front. I'm happy with it. I could use horizon balance, and yeah. Just the one thing I cannot do is swivel it around. DJI don't make any swivel mounts, non-magnetic mounts without a magnet. Maybe I should just take one, take out the metal, less the magnets inside. Well, I need to just adjust my fender a little bit, just a little. All right, I finally got the buzz. I hear the beep first, then the buzz second, and video audio sync, even though the vibration on and off does not work unless you have video plus audio on the camera. When you stop it, the buzz and the beep, they're synced, and that's a good thing. But you know that rubber around the ring? Take it off, put it in a nice safe place, because it's going to come off if you put it in your pocket and take it out a number of times. You're going to lose it. Don't want to lose it. You only put it on there so you could take off and on and off the lens protector. It's not supposed to stay on there 24/7, 365. Whoa, we hit 299 and 9/10 finally, just under 3 in like 6 months time. I wanted to switch the camera off the bike mount to the double clamp mount. Had a little trouble, just a little. And yeah, it was just a little difficult for me to do and get off, but it's off, it's on the hand mount. I'm gonna put it back on the bike mount in a few. All right, I was able to switch it around, but the magnet gets a little forced because of reverse polarity. Yeah, that's for electric, positive and negative ions. Oh, that's for air conditioning. You know what I mean. So here we are. Yeah, I'm able to, put it towards me, and off I go. So I snapped it back around the front. Oh man, I just don't want to hear that anymore. We're gonna go see if Mr. Pig is out today. Mr. Pig is not out. Maybe Mr. Horse is. I switched over to horizon balance, which I'm forced to use de-warp mode, and was still not able to get into the wide mode. So now if I tilt my bike, I'm able to be, leveled. Horizon locked. People complaining in horizon lock that the horizon isn't locked the way they want it. Mr. Horse is out. And he neighed. Yeah, Mr. Ed didn't want the camera, or he said hello to the camera. That's a good thing. And that is with the mic too. Oh yeah, man, perfect time for the camera. Yes, indeed. Halloween is near. And that's when you want to have a camera to film in nighttime, Christmas time, holiday time. Oh yeah. I tried setting up once again. You got it, live stream. And can't use it, not a big deal. And when I did set up, I did see a whole bunch of blank grayed out playbacks, which is understandable because it's missing in action. But at least I know my Mimo app works for me on the latter phones. Couple of bumps here, check out my nice mount. Yeah, all right. Now, I was happy when I had an Insta360 Series 1X3, And I wasn't too happy when I got the 1X4, but I wasn't gonna have or not gonna have fun editing. I'm not having fun editing a lot of videos side by side and adjusting things with Wondershare Filmora 13. It's just troublesome at times. I see hiccups as in my audio and video is not synced up correctly. I see I miss my titles, spelling, correction, trying to do things on spot. Gaffing up the pole with the rope. Taking care of business. And we know what he's putting up. Too bad I can't read it this way. I'll go the other way. The one thing nobody thinks about is the length of the flag to the AC pole. That's where the problem occurs. You gotta love it. Anything goes in today's times. Woohoo, watch out for the curb, fish. And I'm gonna go watch some planes fly. Fly, fly. We have a lost plane. He went down. I didn't get it on film because I was just heading on over. And he's coming out of the woods with it. Oh yeah. We're watching the plane. Flying, and the wind is, as you can see, the post flag. It's flying not into the wind. Or is he into the wind? You'll figure that part out. Now he's flying against the wind, making a nice circle. Flying in. I wonder if I could pinch and zoom. Long press. Long press and zoom in. A little delay, but there is digital zoom. We'll zoom out by long pressing and zooming out. I don't miss those days, but I do miss those days. And we're getting on out on the bumpy road. I got a lot of video to edit, a lot to share. Try to make some sense in how I edit it. As we ride along the path, maybe I'll pull over by my favorite spot. See if it's popular or not. Now we'll just continue on. Hands on the bar. Well, I am Fish. I'm about ending this video. I got my footage, my samples, and everything I need, and hope it helps you out on my special bike mount. A fender washer, a 1/4 20 thread, a tripod mount, and a magnetic mount on the stem. I figure I'd give one more last shot. Not sure if I'm in Rocksteady Plus, but I'm in ultra wide. And I bumped it down to wide, and we're in Rocksteady as well. And on that note, I am out of here.